Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a construction hub. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Now, somebody asked me a question to say, who is a project manager and what qualifies one to be a project manager? So a project manager is an individual who manages a project. Now, if we bring it into the context of construction, a project manager is an individual who manages a building construction or engineering project. Now, what qualifies one to be a project manager? Well, what qualifies one to be a project manager is this individual firstly has to have a qualification in any distinct construction field within the construction industry. Now, what qualifies again this individual to be the project manager, and of most importance, is, for example, in the construction industry, we have the consultants, we have the contractor, and we have the client. Now, the client is the one who funds the construction of this building, this power plant, or whatever we want to build. So if the client approaches one of the consultants, so this consultant can be an electrical engineer, can be a mechanical engineer, can be a quantity surveyor, can be an architect, can be a structural engineer, any of the above mentioned. If the client approaches one of these and this individual feels like he or she has the capacity to undertake this project, then he or she automatically becomes the project manager. So any profession within the construction industry can be the project manager, so long as he or she knows how to lead a team, has some technical know-how, or is from within the construction field of profession. So what qualifies one to be a project manager? The person needs to have a distinct speciality within the construction industry in a particular field. If the individual feels like he or she cannot take up the challenge, well, he or she can recommend somebody else, or may just tell the client to say, well, I cannot manage this project. Then the client will look for another individual. Yes, so the client, if the client looks for an architect, or that architect feels like he or she can take up a challenge, then he or she becomes the project manager. I hope I've answered the question, and hopefully you can be the project manager.